From 4-hour time frame by setting our major higher low structure zone, we can see the price made the break and retest on the structure, but failed to make the continuation to the downside. But instead it broke to the upside, failing the bearish indications. For that we know that the price with this breakout up went on the bullish side. That's why we're going to lower time frame to identify this part and keep in mind the bullish confluences we have from the higher time frame. Going on to our time frame, we can see the price created a consistent higher lows on the way out with a very strong wick rejections. We are using our last lower high structure zone over the last bearish market structure on the way down. We can see the price managed to close the breakout phase above the rejection level, completing the whole breakout. The price recognized the structure with the slight bounce, and we are ready to look for a confirmation and a potential continuation up. By adding the Fibonacci tool, we can see the price respected to 0.5